So, you're a student trying to get fit, but you've got no time, no gym, and pretty much no equipment, right? Well, you've come to the right place. We're about to walk through a super simple but really effective 10-minute workout you can do right in your room to boost your body and, yep, your brain too. Let's get into it. Look, I totally get it. Between the late night study sessions, the classes, and the exams, taking care of yourself can feel like a luxury you just don't have time for. But what if I told you that you could change all that, your health and your mindset, in just 10 minutes a day? This quick workout is about so much more than just building muscle. Think of it as your secret weapon for school. It's going to help fix your posture from being hunched over a desk, sharpen your focus for that next big test, and give you a serious energy boost to get through your day feeling way more confident. So here's our game plan for today. We're going to start with a quick 5-minute warm-up, then we'll dive right into the 10-minute bodyweight circuit. After that, we'll talk about how to fuel your body and, this is the big one, how to actually stick with it. This is your complete guide to getting started. First up, let's just acknowledge the student fitness dilemma. It's that constant tug of war between getting your schoolwork done and taking care of your health, right? It feels like you have to pick one. But this workout is designed to show you that no, you really can do both. Before we do anything else, we gotta warm up. And seriously, whatever you do, do not skip this part. A good warm-up gets your blood flowing, it raises your heart rate just a little bit, and it wakes up your muscles. Honestly, it's the best thing you can do to avoid getting hurt and to actually have a better workout. Okay, so here's the routine. It's super simple. We're gonna spend 1 minute on each of these. Jumping jacks, arm circles, high knees, torso twists, and leg swings. Don't even worry about going fast, just focus on nice, smooth movements to get your body ready to work. All right, it is time for the main event, the 10-minute body weight circuit. Here's how it works. We'll do 40 seconds of an exercise, then you get 20 seconds to rest. This is awesome because it's just enough time to really work your muscles, but then you get that quick break to catch your breath and get ready for the next move. Just remember, it's all about good form, not speed. We're kicking things off with a classic, the bodyweight squat. This is hands down one of the best exercises out there for building strength in your lower body. We're talking glutes, quads, hamstrings, it hits them all. Okay, for proper form, you're gonna plant your feet about shoulder width apart and keep that chest up. As you go down, just imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Now, here's the most important safety check. Watch your knees. Make sure they're pointing in the same direction as your toes and not caving in. And hey, if you're just starting, just grab a sturdy chair to hold onto for a little extra balance. Next up, the push-up. There's a reason this one is such a classic. It's a powerhouse for your chest, your shoulders, your arms, and it's a huge challenge for your core. The big secret here is to think of your body as one straight, solid line from your head all the way to your heels. No saggy hips. To keep your lower back safe, tighten up your core, like you're about to get punched in the stomach. And listen, if a full push-up is too much right now, that is totally fine. Just drop to your knees or even do them standing up against a wall. Okay, our third exercise is alternating lunges. These are so good because they make you focus on one leg at a time, which is an amazing way to work on your balance and build some really functional strength. So to do a lunge, you're gonna take a nice, controlled step forward and just drop your hips straight down. The main thing to watch for here is that front knee. You want to make sure it stays right over your ankle, not shooting way past your toes. If you feel a little wobbly, no big deal. Just hold on to a desk or a wall for some support. And for our last exercise, we have the glute bridge. I'm telling you, this is a must-do for every single student out there. This is your secret weapon against that slouched over desk posture because it wakes up all the muscles that get weak from sitting all day. So for this one, just lie on your back with your knees bent. Then drive through your heels and lift your hips up till your body is in a nice straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Give your glutes a real good squeeze at the top, but just be careful not to arch your back too much. You want your glutes to do the work, not your spine. Awesome work. You made it through the circuit. But just remember, the exercises are only half of the puzzle. If you really want to see results and feel amazing, we got to talk about what you put into your body to recover. And you really don't need any fancy or expensive supplements. We're talking about simple, real food. Think an apple with some peanut butter, a handful of almonds, or Greek yogurt. This stuff is cheap, it's easy, and it's perfect to grab for a quick energy boost between your classes. After your workout, you really want to get a good mix of protein to help your muscles repair and some healthy carbs to get your energy back. Simple things like scrambled eggs and toast, a quinoa bowl, or even just some oatmeal with fruit and a scoop of protein powder are absolutely perfect. Okay, let's talk about what is truly the most important part of this whole thing. One workout is great, but consistency, that's where the magic really happens. So, how do we make sure this 10-minute effort becomes a habit that actually sticks around? Well, it's pretty easy to fall into some common traps. A lot of us start out by rushing with bad form, or we get discouraged because we think, 10 minutes isn't enough, or we expect to see huge changes overnight. The trick is to change your thinking. Focus on good, controlled movements. Trust that these little workouts really do add up, and just be patient with yourself. And tracking your progress doesn't have to be some big, complicated thing. Seriously, a little log in a notebook or even a note on your phone is all you need. Just jot down that you did it, how you felt, and any small wins. Seeing that your squats felt easier or you had more energy today, that's a huge motivator. This right here, this is what it's all about. It's not about some crazy hour-long gym session that leaves you sore for a week. It's about that small promise you make to yourself every single day. That's what really changes things. So what's the bottom line? You have everything you need to get started right here, right now. The plan is simple, it works, and the only thing left is for you to just do it. So are you ready to commit to just 10 minutes a day? Your journey to feeling stronger, more focused, and just